Hey guys, what about you today? I am Luana, and today I will talk with you about the AI, the artificial intelligence. And I will start talking about what is an AI. Okay? The artificial intelligence focuses on building machines capable of performing tasks that are typically to require human intelligence. Okay, so I will show you a little summary of what I will talk about today. Okay, so the artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. It powers technologies like chatbots, recommendation systems, and self driving cars by enabling computers to learn from data, making decisions, and solve problems. AI enables machines to simulate human abilities such as learning, problem solving, decision making, and comprehension. Okay, so now I will show you an artificial intelligence definition. Okay, AI is a technology that allows machines to simulate human intelligence and cognitive capabilities. AI can be used to help make decisions, solve problems, and perform tasks that are normally accomplished by humans. Okay, while AI is an interdisciplinary science with multiple approaches, advancements in machine learning and deep learning in particular are changing virtually every industry, making AI an increasingly integral part of everyday life. Okay, so why is AI important? Okay, artificial intelligence aims to provide machines with similar processing and analysis capabilities as human, making AI a useful counterpart to people in everyday life. AI is able to interpret and sort data at scale, solve complicated problems, and automate various tasks simultaneously, which can save time and fill in operational gaps missed by humans. Okay, AI serves as the foundation for computer learning and is used in almost every industry, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and education, helping to make data driven decisions and carry out repetitive or computationally intensive tasks. Okay? So now I will talk about this topic. How does AI work? AI systems work by using algorithms and data. Okay, so first, a massive amount of data is collected and applied to mathematical models or algorithms, which use the information to recognize patterns and make predictions in a process known as training. Okay? So, once algorithms have been trained, they are deployed within various applications where they continuously learn from and adapt to new data. Okay, this allows AI systems to perform complex tasks like image recognition, language processing, and data analysis with greater accuracy and efficiency over time. Okay, now I'll talk about generative AI and how it works. Okay, so the generative AI has gained massive popularity in 2020s, especially as chatbots and image generations get increasingly more sophisticated. These tools are often used to create, write, and copy code, digital art, and object designs, and they are leveraged in industries like marketing, entertainment, consumer goods, and manufacturing. Okay, But generative AI also comes with challenges too. For instance, it can be used to create harmful content and deepfakes, which could spread disinformation and erode social truths. And some AI generation material could potentially infringe on people copyright and intellectual property rights. Okay, so to work, a generative AI model is fed massive data sets and trained to identify within them. Then subsequently generates outputs that resemble this training data. Okay, and stopping a little bit the lesson, I will ask you a question. If you want to know more about this content, this subject, and the types of AI, please write here in the section of commentaries, okay, of comments, so I can read and know that you want, okay? I have this lesson already ready, but I don't know if you want, okay? So, if you want, please write here, okay? So I can know and record it to you, okay? So, next topic. Benefits of AI. AI is beneficial for automating repetitive tasks, solving complex problems, reducing human error, and much more. Okay, so it automating repetitive tasks. Okay, repetitive tasks such as data entry and factory work, as well as customer service conversations, can now be automatic using AI technology. This lets humans focus on other priorities, solving complex problems. AI's ability to process large amounts of data at once allows is to quickly find patterns and solve complex problems that may be too difficult for humans, such as predicting financial outlooks or optimizing energy solutions. Improving customer experience. AI can be applied through user personalization, chatbots, and automated self-servicing technologies, making the customer experience more seamless and increase more customer retention for business, advancing healthcare and medicine. AI works to advance healthcare by accelerating medical diagnosis, drug discovery and development, and medical robot implementation through whole hospitals and care centers. Reducing human error. The ability to quickly identify relationships in data makes AI effective for catching mistakes or anomalies among mounts of digital information, overall reducing human error and ensuring accuracy, okay? But we have disadvantages of AI. While artificial intelligence has its benefits, the technology also comes with several risks and potential dangers to consider. Job displacement. AI's abilities to automate processes, generate rapid content, and work for long periods of time can mean job displacement for human workers. Bias and discrimination. AI models may be trained on data that reflects biased human decisions, leading to outputs that are biased and discriminatory against certain demographics. Hallucinations. AI systems may inadvertently hallucinate or produce inaccurate outputs when trained on insufficient or biased data, leading to the generation of false information. Stopping once more the lesson just to ask one more question. If you want a lesson talking about the history of AI, please write here on the section of comments because I always read when you write something in the comments, okay? So please, if you want this lesson about history of AI, so please write here, okay? I am ready to have the script of this class ready to record. So if you want this lesson, please write here, okay? So here we end our class, and I hope so much that you like it. And if you want more contents about every topic, every subject in Portuguese, in English, or in the future in Spanish, please leave here a like, subscribe, share with other people that you know that will like this content, and write your evaluation of this class in the comments too, okay? So, kisses, thank you so much to watch here, and I hope that you like it, okay? So, kisses and bye bye.